How to clear CrazyGames cache. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can clear the cache files for CrazyGames, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're playing CrazyGames on your desktop browser, there will be a different process to clear the cache files for the browser, but on mobile phone, especially if you're using Android phone, what you can do is you can simply long press on CrazyGames app from your home screen or your app drawer, then tap on this I button that says app info. Now when you have that, you can go to this option that says storage usage and select it, and from storage usage you can see the cache files over here, and you can tap on the clear cache button next to it. You can also clear the data, but that is going to reset the application, and this way you can clear cache on CrazyGames. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon in our next video.